I just wanted to add one little quick addition here. This is the CarlAero ultra low temperature Stirling engine. Stirling engines run on heat difference, and the only thing that's acting on the piston right now is the heat from my hand. And as long as I'm alive and sending heat out of my hand, that Stirling engine will continue to run. This is a fascinating and well-made little engine. If I turn this, you will be able to see, there, you'll be able to see the tiny silicone tube on the compression cylinder crank as well. Beautiful little engine.